Hi, this is Ty Hyderali. I'm a plaintiff's lawyer. We concentrate in employment law in New Jersey and New York. I want to talk to you today about the New York Pay Transparency Act. And it was supposed to go into effect May 15th, but there were some ambiguities in the law. And basically what the law says is that for covered employers, you have to disclose the minimum and the maximum salary that's offered for people who you're hiring or promoting or jobs that are posted. And the ambiguities were clarified and cured by the new mayor, Eric Adams, on May 12th. So we have a new effective date. It's going to go into effect in November of 2022. But some of these ambiguities that were clarified and cured is, number one, it doesn't only apply to salaries, it appears to hourly rates that you're going to offer to employees. They have to be posted too with regard to what you reasonably believe will be the minimum and the maximum salaries that you'll offer. The law further continues to exempt out temporary agencies from having to disclose salaries for obvious reasons. And number two, or number three, I don't know where I'm numerically, but in any case, the law, it's very interesting. The business community wanted the law to only affect businesses that had 15 or more employees, but the law cites back to Title 8, which applies to any employers who have over 4 employees. So anyone who has over 4 employees, you're covered. There's an interesting provision in the statute that says the only people who can have a private cause of action, who can sue, are those who are currently employed by the employer. That doesn't mean if you're not an applicant, you can't file a complaint with the Division of Human Rights in New York City, but you don't have a private cause of action. The law also only applies to companies that employ employees in New York City. So those are some of the provisions of the statute. There's a safe harbor clause, so if an employer does violate the provision, there is a way they can try to get out of liability, and they have to cure the violation within 30 days of notice of the complaint. But if they don't, some pretty stiff penalties for violators. $125,000 for a first penalty and up to $250,000 for a subsequent penalty. So it's a very strong law to try to get rid of discrimination in the workplace, the New York Pay Transparency Law. This is Ty Hyderali. Be safe and be well.